Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stock My Closet. Today I'll explain 5 different ways to use elastic. Hope this video will be helpful and enhance your sewing skills. So let's get started. First is encased elastic. I've taken this piece of fabric. Finish one edge. You can either take seam allowance to double fold it or just overlock it. Now fold the fabric by half in width and make a side stitch. Overlock it. Now fold the fabric according to the width of elastic. I'm taking 1 inch wide elastic. Now make a stitch all around, leaving around 1 inch to 2 inch of space to insert the elastic. Insert the elastic using safety pin. Usually it's 3 to 4 inch less than the waist measurement. Join both ends and make a stitch to secure it. Now close the open space and encased elastic is done. This type of casing is seen a lot in palazzo pants, culottes, pajama pants, skirts, shorts, etc. Second is zigzag elastic. This is fast and easy and generally used in leggings, tops, PJs. So I have just taken a piece of fabric, made a side stitch, overlock it. Now take the required length of elastic, fold it by half and make a mark. Place the edge of elastic on the edge of seam. Pin it up. Join halfway point on the elastic to the other end of the fabric like this. Pin it up. Bring rest of the elastic around and match the edge of the seam again. Now I'll make a stitch. Stretch the elastic and make a zigzag stitch. Make sure while stitching, edge of the fabric and elastic is in the middle of the foot. Stretch it out and make zigzag stitch all around. So I made a stitch and this is how it looks. Fold the fabric inwards and again stretch it and make a straight stitch on the edge of the zigzag. And it's done. Third is gathered elastic. Take a piece of fabric, mark a line, this is 17 inch. I'll just mark the midpoint at 8.5 inch. Cut out the elastic shorter than the width of fabric. Fold it by half and mark the center. Match both centers and pin it up. End points of elastic will match up the end points of fabric. Join the end point and start stitching. I'll just stretch the elastic and make a stitch. I made a stitch and this is how it looks. This can be used in sleeves, ankle round of capris, PJs and tops, etc. Fourth is elastic shearing. Take a piece of fabric, mark equal lines. Fold the fabric and mark midpoints on the wrong side of the fabric. Cut out the elastic shorter than the width of fabric. Shorter the elastic, more the shearing you will get. Match and pin up both centers, and end point of elastic will match the end points of fabric. Join the end points, stretch the elastic and make a stitch. So I made a stitch, and similarly I'll stitch elastic on other lines. And this is how it looks. This can be used in puff sleeves, bodies of dresses and tops, etc. You can also use elastic thread for shearing. I already had a video on the same. I'll share the link in the description box if you want to check it out. Fifth and the last one is used in dresses, rompers, etc. to get stretchy waist. Take the piece of fabric, draw 2 lines. Gap should be slightly bigger than the width of the elastic. Place the fabric on the another piece of fabric and make a stitch on both lines. Insert the elastic using safety pin. So I have inserted the elastic. Now fold the fabric by half in width and make a side stitch. And it's done. You can also add this on the stitched loose fit garment as well to get fitted waist. So these were the 5 ways to use elastic in sewing. Hope you'll find this video useful, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.